Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study very important cycle, that is nitrogen cycle. This is very important for your examination point of view. So you have to draw this cycle in your notebook, right? You know that 78% of nitrogen is present in the air in gaseous form, right? And this nitrogen is not used by plant and animal in the gaseous form. That is why this nitrogen has to be converted into usable form. And what are the usable form of nitrogen? Nitrogen is used by plants in the form of nitrate or nitrite, right? So now, how this atmospheric nitrogen, which is in the gaseous form, is converted into nitrate and nitrite? So there are three methods of conversion of nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite. These three methods are atmospheric fixation of nitrogen. Atmospheric fixation means when atmosphere is playing role in converting nitrogen into its usable form, right? Usable form means that the form in which plants or animals can take up nitrogen, right? So whenever there is a lightning in the atmosphere, the nitrogen which is present in the gaseous form in atmosphere combines with oxygen and form oxides of nitrogen. These oxides of nitrogen react with water present in atmosphere and changes into mild acid, that is nitric acid. This nitric acid further reacts with the alkalis and form salt, and when this salt it get dissolved in water which is present in the soil, it get converted into nitrate, and this nitrate can be used up by the plant take this nitrate as it is in the ion form. And what are ions? This you will study in 9th class. So this in nitrate, in the form of nitrate, nitrogen is taken up by the plants. Now what is the need of plant? What is the need to take this nitrogen by the plant? Plants take this nitrogen to make protein. You know, proteins, they are required for a growth and development. Beside this, in higher classes you will study that nitrogen is important component of nucleic acid, right? And what are nucleic acid? This you will study in higher class, right? So need of nitrogen for plant, it is very much important for plants for making proteins. Now this is about the atmospheric fixation. In this diagram they are showing the lightning, and from lightning fixation of nitrogen is taking place. Now the next method of fixation of nitrogen is biological method, and this you all know. You know, in the root nodules of leguminous plants, certain bacteria are present which are said to be the rhizobium bacteria, and this bacteria help in fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So from air, you know, soil particles, there is a large gap between the soil particles, and in the soil gaps air is there, and you know air is the mixture of gases, and in this gas the most abundant gas is nitrogen, which is about 78%. So the nitrogen that is present in the soil in gaseous form is taken up by these rhizobium bacteria, and blue-green algae, they are also present in the soil. So, and many other microbes, they are also there, which are not there in your course. That is why I am not telling you the name of those microbes. So these many bacteria, other soil bacteria, right, they convert this atmospheric nitrogen which is present in the soil in gaseous form into usable form. As you know that microbes, they are the living organism. That is why we are saying that this method is biological fixation of nitrogen. Now we will study the next method of fixation of nitrogen, that is industrial fixation. Industrial fixation means you are converting nitrogen into usable form in industries. When you make fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, in crop production and management, you studied about that nitrogenous fertilizers, they are needed by the plant in large quantity, right? So when in industry these nitrogen containing chemical fertilizers they are made, then it is said to be the industrial fixation of nitrogen. So when this urea or ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, they are added in the soil, then they get converted into usable form and it is taken up by the plant for making proteins. Okay, so here there is nitrogen cycle. So definition of nitrogen cycle: cyclic flow of nitrogen between living and non-living environment, right? You know that non-living environment include your atmosphere, right? So nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, right? So in the form of N2. Now when this nitrogen comes in the soil, it is taken up by the bacteria. So here in this cycle, bacteria turn compound nitrogenous into here the lightning fixing fixing nitrogen, and these compounds goes into the soil. This is one method. And the second method, which I told you, the fixation of nitrogen by lightning. Now this is the next method, nitrogen fixing bacteria, like I told you earlier, rhizobium, blue-green algae and many other bacteria. They are fixing atmospheric nitrogen into compounds of nitrogen, right? Now when these compounds of nitrogen they are present in the soil, they are these compounds of nitrogen, they are taken up by the plants. So here uptake by plants. As you know, animals, they are heterotrophic. They are dependent on plants or other animals for their food. So when these plants, they are eaten up by the animals, this nitrogen goes into the animals, right? So when these animals die, or when the nitrogenous waste which is present in the animals like urine, it comes into the soil, again compounds of nitrogen, they come into the soil, right, when they dies. Now these compounds of nitrogen, certain bacteria are also present in the soil, which instead of converting nitrogen into usable form, they convert it into gaseous nitrogen. These bacteria are said to be denitrifying bacteria. From the name it is very much clear. Denitrifying, nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria are those which convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable form. And opposite of nitrifying bacteria, they are denitrifying bacteria. So denitrifying bacteria are those which convert nitrogen which is present in the soil in a usable form into atmospheric gaseous nitrogen. So again nitrogen reaches to the air. So this cycle is maintained. That is why in atmosphere the percentage of nitrogen remain constant, right? So this is nitrogen. This is how the nitrogen cycle goes, right? Now here in this slide they are telling about nitrogen cycle. This nitrogen cycle is all about the movement of nitrogen between various elements of earth. Atmosphere has approximately 78% of nitrogen, and nitrogen is fixed into the soil. Again and again the word is coming fixed. What is the meaning of this fixed? Fixed means conversion of nitrogen into usable form, because plant and animal cannot use gaseous nitrogen directly, right? Therefore the fixation of nitrogen is done. Fixation means conversion of atmospheric nitrogen which is in the gaseous form into usable form, right? Now they have given that plant utilizes nitrogen from soil through their roots. So in soil, you know, roots of plant, they are there, so they take up nitrogen with the help of their roots, and from roots this nitrogen move to all parts of the plant. So when these plant, and this from the plant, it is transferred to the animal when animal eat these plants, and when both animal and plant dies, again this nitrogen come into the soil in the form of form of their compounds. Now the soil bacteria, that is denitrifying bacteria, again converts this nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen, and hence the cycle is completed, right? So here in this diagram you are seeing the leguminous plant, this is P, and these are the root nodules in which bacteria, rhizobium bacteria, it is there in these root nodules. Nodules are nothing, they are the bacterial infections. Same way, when bacterial infection takes place in your body, the boil arises, right? This boil contain numerous bacteria. Same way, these are the bacterial infections in which the bacteria lives, right? But here it is useful for plants. So in root nodules you will find bacteria, and this bacteria will convert soil nitrogen, gaseous nitrogen into usable form, right? So by this way the amount of nitrogen in air remain constant, right? So children, here this chapter is over, microorganism friend and foe. Tomorrow I'll send you the NCERT question. You have to solve all the question of NCERT, and you have to prepare for test also of first lesson, right? And then we will start the new lesson, the next lesson. Okay, thank you very much.